You're rushing out the door and you've got that critical game to finish, but your current GPU is holding you back. You need a boost in performance, but it's not just about throwing more money at the problem. You need something that actually fixes the issues you're seeing. That's where the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5080 WINDFORCE OC SFF 16G comes in. Powered by NVIDIA's new Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4, this graphics card is a game-changer for anyone who wants to unlock their full gaming potential without sacrificing visual fidelity or performance. But what really sets it apart is its ability to deliver fast frame rates and AI acceleration in creative applications. Think video editing, 3D modeling, or even just running multiple resource-intensive programs at the same time. Let's dive into some of the key specs that make this card so impressive. First off, you've got a whopping 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory interface, which is more than enough to handle even the most demanding games and applications without breaking a sweat. And with its PCIe 5.0 connectivity, you know it's going to be lightning fast. We're talking nearly instant loading times and seamless performance across multiple devices. But what really gets me excited about this card is its NVIDIA SFF, small form factor, readiness. That means it's designed to work seamlessly in even the most compact of systems, making it perfect for anyone who needs a powerful GPU without sacrificing precious space or power savings. And with its WINDFORCE cooling system, you can bet it's going to stay cool under pressure, whether you're pushing it to its limits during intense gaming sessions or running demanding tasks 24/7. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this really worth the investment? Well, let me tell you, once people try this, they stop reaching for their old GPU. There's just something about the way it delivers that makes all the difference. And with its stunning visuals and AI acceleration capabilities, you can bet your last dollar that this card is going to take your gaming experience to the next level. Imagine using this GPU tomorrow morning and waking up to a seamless video edit. No lag, no stuttering, just pure fluid performance. That's what this card is capable of delivering, and it's truly something special. So, who doesn't want that kind of power and flexibility in their gaming setup? Sound familiar? Alright, so let's recap. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5080 WINDFORCE OC SFF 16G is an absolute beast of a card that delivers fast performance, stunning visuals, and AI acceleration capabilities. And with its compact design and PCIe 5.0 connectivity, it's perfect for anyone who needs a powerful GPU without sacrificing precious space or power savings. In short, this card fixes the issues you're seeing with your current GPU: slow performance, laggy graphics, and wasted time. It's time to take your gaming experience to the next level and make the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5080 WINDFORCE OC SFF 16G a part of your setup.